fluffy yellow chicks. She was a hard-working little hen. One day she was busy scratching about in the yard, looking for something to eat, when she found a grain of wheat. She didn't eat up the grain, though. The little red hen had a different plan. She called out to her friends, the cat, the duck, and the pig.
"Look, I found this on the ground,"
she said, showing them the wheat grain.
"Who will help me plant this grain of wheat?"
"Oh, I'm busy. I must go down to the pond for a swim,"
said the duck.
"Not me,"
said the cat, shaking her head.
"I'm expecting some visitors. I don't know how to plant wheat,"
said the pig. They left the little red hen alone and went to the other side of the farmyard to laze in the warm sun. But the little red hen got out her hoe, rake, and shovel.
"I'll do it myself then. Will you help me plant this grain, my little ones?"
she asked her chicks.
Chip, chip, chip.
The chickens were eager to help. They dug a small hole in the ground and put in the grain of wheat and covered it up. They waited patiently until green shoots popped out from the ground. The wheat grew and grew until it was quite big. The hen knew that the wheat needed to be watered. She decided to go and meet her friends and find out if they had time to help.
"Which one of you will help me water the wheat?"
asked the red hen.
"Not me,"
said the duck, and shook her head.
"I have other things to do at the moment. I'm going to take a nap now. I'm so tired,"
said the cat.
"If you'll excuse me, I need to go back to my shed and refresh myself a bit,"
said the pig. They left quickly. The little red hen made up her mind to water the wheat herself. The wheat plant grew well, and the stalks of wheat grew tall. Soon the hen noticed that there were a few weeds among the wheat stalks.
"I'll see if my friends can help me now,"
said the little red hen. She went to meet them.
"Can anyone help me weed the wheat plant?"
she asked.
"I can't do that,"
said the duck.
"This type of work doesn't agree with me. It might make me sick. I don't think I can weed it. I can't tell the weeds from the plant,"
said the cat, and settled down to sleep.
"Don't bother me.
said the pig.
I have other things to worry about. Who cares about a wheat plant?"
"Okay, I'll weed it myself,"
said the hen.
"It's a beautiful morning. Let's have breakfast before getting to work. Do you know what the animals in the farm eat? What do pigs eat?"
"No, I don't eat this." "Nope, not this either. We like acorns." "No, I don't eat this." "Nope, not this either. We like acorns." I love tasty acorns.
"What do cats like to eat?"
No, I won't eat this. This is not cat's food. This is exactly what I like.
Do you know what ducks eat?
Thank you, but I don't eat this. I can't eat this either. I like sunflower seeds. Yes, my favourite food is sunflower seeds.
Well done. I and my chickens eat worms. Will you help us catch some? You need to catch 10 worms. Hey, it's a grain of wheat. I can grow wheat, make flour, and bake bread with this grain. Who will help me plant this?
Not me. I don't know how to plant wheat. Sorry, but I'm expecting visitors. I'm busy. I'm going to swim in the pond.
Come, my chicks. We'll plant the wheat ourselves. Can you please help us find a shovel? This is not a shovel. Keep searching. This is not a shovel. Keep searching. This is not a shovel. Keep searching. This is not a shovel. Here it is. Let's dig a hole now. Now let's put the grain of wheat into the hole. To make the wheat sprout, we'll have to water it. Where is our watering can? Here it is. Grow, little wheat plant. We've done well. Our wheat will grow soon.